everybody. If it's your first time here, it's Mariyita, and if you've been here before, welcome back. I want to just touch really quick on a couple of things. I haven't been uploading as much. A lot of you have sent me messages, and many of you may know if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook. My dad passed away a little over a month ago, and I wasn't really uploading or doing much other than grieving his loss. But I'm better now. I'm taking one day at a time, and so I want to thank everybody for reaching out. I got tons of cards with beautiful words and messages. He passed away on September 26th, so still a little recent. It's still here in my throat, but I'm trying to just stay busy. I do cry. I have my moments, and so anyway, enough about that. But with that said, I've been looking kind of sad. I did a little bit of makeup today. I've been going to work and probably not looking my greatest, which brings me to today's video. I went to Ulta and I was looking for lotion and stuff like that, and I came across this lady there who introduced me to magnetic eyelashes, and this one is the ProMagnetic by Ivure. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And I'm not an expert in the matter. They're brand spanking new. I haven't even opened them yet. So this basically works by you applying some eyeliner to your eyelid. I read this and it says to do like 3 coats of it, and then the eyelashes are supposed to, I guess, fall onto the eyeliner and work kind of as a magnet. So I shall try this. Let's see how this goes. I do have to run some errands today. I'm going to apply these. I'm going to show you how I apply them. I hope I do this right, and then I'll go about my business with my errands and see how well they hold up. This claims that the eyeliner holds up for 10 hours. If you're a nurse, if you're in the medical field, if you're, I don't know, a cook, or just anything where you maybe sweat a little, because I know I have to wear a shield. I don't know if any of you guys are wearing shields and, you know, masks and the whole 9 yards. So I'm curious to know how this is going to hold up behind it all, but we shall find out. I don't work today, so I shall try these behind my shield with my mask on tomorrow and see how well they do. So here are the lashes, and here is the liner. No glue needed. Simple steps. 1 is you apply the eyeliner, and 2 is we drop the eyelashes over the eyeliner. So let's get started. Okay, so one of the tips is for us to apply the eyeliner as thick as the lash band. So if you go too thin, I guess it might not work. It's one of the tips. So let's apply our first layer. Here's what the liner looks like. So looks like a regular liquid eyeliner. So let's see. I feel like I'm about to take a test, and just so you guys know, I haven't used this since high school. Should I start in the center? Should I start at the... this might be a disaster, you guys. Oh gosh, there's so much product on here. Maybe I should have removed some. Well, no turning back now. Ah! So thick. I think I'm gonna do that eye first. So maybe remove some of the product off of the liner because this is a lot of product on the eye. So it does say to let the coats dry. And it's 3 coats of eyeliner. I'll be back for coat 2. It looks shiny, guys. This is still the first layer. And I'm gonna feel with my finger because it looks shiny, but it doesn't come off. So here we go. I'm gonna go in with my second layer of the eyeliner. But I think, I don't know, it doesn't say to remove any excess or anything like that. I didn't remove any. I'm just pulling it straight out of the container onto the lid. So here we go. Oh my goodness, it's going on thicker. This is so awkward for me because I haven't done liquid eyeliner in years. I don't know how I feel about this. I mean, is it gonna be hard to wash off, I wonder? We shall find all this out today. Because I do plan to wash my eyes tonight. There's no way I would go to sleep with this. But I haven't tried the other eyelash system where everyone goes to the lash lady and they get all these little extensions in there. I've never done that. I've never tried it. I like to wash my face and rub my eyes when I wash my face. So I'm curious to know how this is gonna work. But I'm getting antsy. I just want to lay these on there already. Let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so they're on. I'm just gonna press it onto the liner, I guess. Okay, the lashes are on. They feel good. It was super easy. It fell right onto the eyeliner. These are my little lashes right here. Can you guys see it? I don't know. What do you guys think? Can you guys see the difference? Well, let's see how they do throughout the day. This was super easy. I did not struggle to, it felt like a magnet. It felt like all I did was drop it and it like attached to the eyeliner, which is kind of how a magnet works, right? So it's pretty cool. I mean, great technology. I'm always amazed at the brains that come up with these things. I'm hoping that you guys can see. That was pretty easy. Okay, both lashes are on. Do I look more alive? Do I look happier? Comment, let me know. I am going to run some errands. I'm very stoked. I'm so excited on how easy this was for me because I struggle with lashes. I've tried the glue lashes. I've tried, there's lashes where you kind of do a little at a time. I've struggled with it all. So this was easy. They're both on. All I did was the liner, slap the lashes on, and they caught onto the liner. So far, so good. They're not itchy. I've moved my eyes around. Nothing's pokey. Nothing feels thick. It honestly feels like I have nothing on. But let's see what happens when I'm out and about and I start to sweat or whatever. And I'll keep you updated. So I've been cooking. I've been cleaning. I'm up. I'm down. I'm sweating. I get hot. I get cold. Eyelashes are still on. They're so comfortable. It doesn't feel like I have them on. I feel weird because there's the eyeliner and I haven't done eyeliner like this in years. So that part I feel weird. But what do you guys think? Is it too much for work? Comment down below. Let me know. It's not running. I don't have any of the eyeliner on my under eye area or anything like that. My corners are super comfortable. I'm blinking and it's not like they're in the way and I can't see and I can feel them. So far, so good, you guys. Let's see how we do for a couple hours more and then we'll get to the part where they have to come off. So let's see how that goes. But I'm very impressed because they're super comfortable. I just don't know how I feel about this at work. It feels like too much for work. Eyes is all you see because I have a mask on and my shield is on, so eyes pop out, people. And I don't know if this will be appropriate for work. So let me know what you think. If you were going into the dental office to have your teeth cleaned and all you see are your dental hygienist's eyes, would this be too much? Be honest, people. Keep it real when you comment and answer that question down below. It is now time to get these babies off. I'm curious to know how this is going to go. Let's see. I'm pretty sure before I go into doing this that we can, I haven't even read that part. I haven't read the part on how it is that we remove them. Whoops. It just says easy and gentle removal. So here goes. Oh, yeah. This comes right off. No ouchie. That was easy. So I'm just grabbing it from the outer corner and just pull. It comes right off. That didn't even hurt or nada. So now let's see how the eyeliner is going to come off. It's a little, it's almost like you're peeling off a sticker. That's what it seems like. It seems like it's sticker-ish material and that I can peel it right off. Not bad. It's very easy to remove. Doesn't hurt or it's not messy. It's not hurting or anything. And then what you see under my eye is a little bit of mascara because I had some mascara on my lashes from the day before. You know how you wash your face but you still have some of that mascara? That's what this is under my eye. It's not even the eyeliner because the eyeliner does not run, people. It's pretty cool. I really liked it. I would definitely recommend it. Now that I know how it works, now that I know that I can do this it was easy to apply, easy to remove. I'm going to probably try out some different lashes. So I'll be playing with these, but I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Tomorrow I will wear these to work and see how it goes. I'm going to see if they will stand, you know, the shield, the mask, the goggles, see how that goes. And I shall let you guys know on another video. Hope you guys liked this video. But my whole thing was trying these out and letting you guys know how they worked. So shout out to Stephanie, Jessica from Kentucky, Brenda. Oh my gosh, if I'm forgetting you and we had a lash discussion, shout out to you. And again, thank you guys for all the messages, all the phone calls, all the love. I am okay, and peace. Mwah. Check this out, y'all. So the lash has 1, 2, 3 little squares, and that is what falls onto the liner and attaches to the liner in that magnetic force. Huh, isn't that so cool? I mean, I know this isn't like anything new. It's my first time trying this out, and I'm super amazed because this is really cool. So there are the 1, 2, 3 magnets. And so I don't think I'm going crazy, or I don't think my description of how this feels is off point, because now that I took these off and I see the 3 little squares, I can totally understand why it felt like they just, bam, fell onto the liner and just clicked like a magnet onto my lash line.